Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Cenlar Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in cenlar.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Cenlar Mortgage. Now, if you're a mortgage customer, then click on Homeowner Login and you will be taken into the login portal. Otherwise, click on Client Partners Login and you will be taken into the appropriate login portal as well. Now, once you're inside the login portal, you will be asked to enter your credentials. So type in your username that you set while creating your account in the first place within the username box, and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account with Cenlar's Mortgage right away. In case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on Forgot Username or the Forgot Password option to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Cenlar Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.